Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to connect Nike running club to Strava. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To connect Nike Run Club NRC to Strava, what you need to do is first open up the Nike Run Club app, and if you haven't downloaded the app, simply head over to the App Store and then on the search bar type in Nike Run Club and then tap on the app and tap on the get option to simply download the app. Now once I've downloaded it, open up the app, and now what you need to do is be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is go to your profile, tap on the profile tab, usually at the bottom right of the screen, to access your profile settings. Number 3 is to access settings. In your profile, tap on the gear icon for settings, usually found at the top right. Now within the settings menu, look for an option related to linked accounts or connections. Tap on these options. Now find the option to link to Strava and tap on it. You may need to log into your Strava account or give permission from Nike Run Club to access your Strava data. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection between the two apps. This typically involves granting permissions for Nike Run Club to upload your runs to Strava. Once connected, you may receive a confirmation message. Your runs should now sync automatically to Nike Run Club to Strava. If you have trouble or do not see the linking option, make sure both apps are updated to the latest versions. You may also need to check your account settings on Strava website for additional connection options. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.